Hi guys, so I wanted to share another deep conditioner that I have tried and seems to work well with my hair. You'll notice it has avocado in it, which is one of my all-time favorites, of course. So that's one of the reasons I decided to try out this mix. It also has Shea in it, which I thought was pretty cool, and I wanted to see how that works, so I checked it out. Now, the other reason that I really like this mix is because it's very simple. There are only 3 ingredients to it. So you'll see a little clip of me making the mix and then some pictures with the results on my hair and that sort of thing. Now, I did want to mention that in the clip, I don't show myself mixing up the avocado in the blender, but typically anytime I use avocado, I blend it first to make sure that it's smooth. However, I did just learn a really cool tip from another vlogger. Her name's Natural Hair in a Mix, and she uses avocado in her mixes. Now, she commented that often it kind of depends on the time of year. Sometimes avocado is really plentiful and you can get it easily. Other times you really have to search for a good avocado. Now, what she does is when she notices that avocados are really abundant, she'll buy a bunch of it and then just do a big mix, mix a big batch of it and then put it in little Ziploc bags and store it in the freezer. And then when you're ready to do your deep conditioner, you can just take out a bag, defrost it, and use it. So I thought that was a really cool tip, and I gave it a shot.